Hello everyone, this is Lifestyle Gardener. I'm going to test out my new processor that I got on sale making banana bread. This banana bread is perfect to eat for breakfast because it's not too sweet. I only use half a cup of sugar. I grind up the pecan into very small pieces. So after I did this, I removed the pecan and set it aside. So this was the very first time using this food processor. I like it. It's lightweight and it's not too big, so it doesn't take up much space. So that's a bonus. I was struggling a little bit to put it on because it's my first time using it, but it's really not hard to put on. After a couple times doing it, you will get it. I think it's very important if you do a lot of meal prepping or if you're a homesteader to have a food processor because it helps cut down time and making all of these meal, and it also encourages you to eat more healthier because it helps save time in the kitchen. So I'm going to process the banana. I have 2 bananas and I'm going to process them in there next. I believe this recipe is very good for meal prepping. If you do meal prepping, you could make more than one and freeze one in the freezer by using wax paper, plastic bag, Ziploc bag, foil paper, or put it in a container and freeze it after it comes completely cool. What I like about this processor is very easy to take off and on the lid if I don't want to use the top part of the processor. It's not a very high quality processor. It's one of the cheapest name brand, but I just need something that works. I don't need anything that is expensive name brand. And I'm not getting any commission of advertising this. This is Black & Decker food processor. I just like to tell you guys about products that I'm using to see if you have the money to buy it or if you're ever curious about it. Please like and share and subscribe. I'm using 1/4 cup of vegan milk, and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And then I take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Afterwards, I got a spoon and I put half a cup of butter inside. Then I put 2 eggs inside. So afterwards, I put the lid on to the processor and I blend up everything a little bit just to mix up the ingredients. I remove the lids afterwards and then take my spoon and remove a little bit of stuff that is at the side. And then I put half a cup of sugar inside. Then I put half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, then 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Afterwards, I put 1½ cup of flour. Then I process everything in the food processor until everything is combined. It was at this moment when I realized I need half a cup of liquid. So I went and go get half a cup of water and put it in the processor.
And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
Then I pressed the pulse button a couple times. Then I removed the processor lid and scraped down the side with the wooden spoon.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here? complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on.
Afterwards, I press the pulse button a couple more times, and then I remove the lid. So after removing the lid, I got the pecans and I put it back in the batter.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Then I got the spoon and scraped down the side a little bit. And then afterwards, I covered the processor with the lid and I mix up the pecan a little bit by just pulsing it and then turning it off. So right here you could hear how loud it gets. It's not very quiet. So I removed the lid and I'm about to pour the butter inside the pan. But before doing that, I put the wax paper inside the pan.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we
Then I got 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips and I sprinkle it over the batter, and then I preheat the oven to 350 for 5 minutes, and then I put the pan inside the oven and I bake it for 60 minutes. So this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like afterwards. I let it cool for 1 hour and then I remove it from the pan and I cut myself a slice and cut my husband a slice. As you can see, it's still steaming hot, but it was really good. It's perfect for breakfast because there's not too much sugar in there. And if you like your banana bread to be really sweet, then you put 1 cup. But this was perfect for me and my husband because we don't like to eat too much sweet cake. I find the longer you wait before eating it, is the more better the flavor gets inside it. Kind of remind me of rum cake. So I could taste the nuttiness of the pecan and the chocolate chips and the banana flavor. So it was really delicious and it looks beautiful also. Okay, you guys, I talk to you another day. Hopefully you try the recipe.